In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your ebook in Epub format into a PDF format. So let's get started. Now I have some books here that I want to convert, but first we shall have to install our software. It is here. So I'll put a link in the description to where you can find this software I'm giving out for free. Alright, you just go and download it. So you click here and extract files. Click OK. Then the password is 123. Then click OK. Here our folder is extracted. Let me put it here. So this let this go down. So this is the folder. Double click to open it. So you'll find a text document and then another folder. So double click to open this folder. So software is here. So we double click on the .exe file. Double click to install. So choose English and continue with OK. Click next. Click I agree. Click install. There you have it. Our software is installing. So you click again next and finish. Alright. So here is the software, but before we go further, we have to register it. You see it says unregistered, so we have to register it. So go here to help and say register. Okay, so go back to our folder where the software is and double click to open this folder. Copy this, copy. Okay, first close the application. First close it, then go to the shortcut here, go to the shortcut here, right click on it and say open file location. So remember we copied our file there. You right click in a space and then you say paste. So it will ask you replace the file in the destination. Yes, there is a file already in the destination similar to our crack file, so we shall just replace it in the destination and say continue. So that is done. Close it. Now come back to our folder, open it, let it be here, then double click on the software. Go to where it says help and say register. Go back to our folder. Open the text file, the one that says password. No, not this one. This one here that says readme text. Put it aside. Put the software aside. Okay. So copy this license email, copy it, copy and come and paste it here. Okay, so we go back to the registration code, copy the registration code, copy the registration code, copy, go back to the software, paste it here. Then you don't click buy, don't click free trial, say register. You have registered. See, successfully. That's okay. So our software is registered, so we can go ahead and convert. Let me first close all these. Convert our ebook, our EPUB to PDF. So we say add file. Add the file. Go to desktop. For you, your file might be located in some other destination, but mine is on the desktop, so I'll click to open this folder, then choose one of the Epub that we can test with, upgrading and fixing computers, and open it. So output type you can choose, but here it only has the option of PDF. Remember, this is an Epub. If I can enlarge it here, you can see Epub. It is a .epub, so I want to change it to a PDF. So I'll just click start and it will convert. So there you have it. You've seen you've seen it is 100%, meaning it is complete. So we can open and check it out. Here you have it. This is the converted PDF. If I can open it, see, this is it. This is it. So it is converted into a PDF, from Epub to a PDF to a PDF. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more computer applications like these ones. Alright, see ya in the next video.